Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you if your YouTube application is not working in your phone. I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So the process is really simple. You have to just watch this video till very end. So as you guys can see here in my iPhone 10, my YouTube says YouTube require update required. Quit this app or either you can update this app, right? So how to fix it? If I just jump to App Store, it will show me. If I just try to search YouTube, it will say this app is updated. It don't show me any updation for the application, right? So how I can fix it? So in order to solve this issue update problem, I'll show you what you can do. So now you guys can see here it's working now, but sometimes again it will show you the problem. But if in your case, if it's not getting fixed, what you can do, just delete this application, delete it, and now jump to App Store and search for YouTube app again. So it will download the latest version of the YouTube app, which will support it with your old iOS version, and then you'll be able to download this application. And this app will keep working. Uh, so you guys can see here my application is downloading right now. So just hold on, I'm going to show you that it's working. So now you guys can see here, I can just simply open YouTube application. This is working now. Now I can use YouTube flawlessly, right? But the second thing, if your application is not working, how you can fix it? Jump to Safari, click on new tab and open here www.youtube.com. Head to this website www.youtube.com. Now you guys can see here, now you can search anything here you want to search, right? So what you can do, just simply click on share button and here swipe up and you will see add to home screen pages there, right? So you can add a YouTube icon there and you can just simply edit this name. You can just set it as YouTube and click on add, and that's it. Now you have a YouTube homepage in your home screen, right? YouTube bookmark. So whenever you opening this YouTube, it will directly open the bookmark on the YouTube page, so you can use YouTube if your official application is not working. I know this is a kind of a temporary fix, but I know YouTube will roll out a new software update which is supported with the every iOS version. So for now, you can use this bookmark on the Safari. So this is the whole simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.